So what is the significance of meiosis? And you know that meiosis actually maintains the chromosome number, isn't it? If meiosis does not happen in the male gamete and the female gamete, then the zygote will not have the same chromosome number which a species ought to have. So basically, to maintain a chromosome, it is kind of ironical that to maintain a constant chromosome number, there should be reduction because of fusion that happens during fertilization. And we all know that a process of crossing over takes place during meiosis, and that is very, very crucial in promoting genetic variation. And that allows exchange or shuffling of genes that happens during the process of crossing over or genetic recombination, which makes the offsprings distinct from their parents. It also contributes, since it brings about variation, it contributes diversity within a particular species. And we all know that having differences among members of the same species is raw material for evolution. So variations form the basis of evolution. And of course, the formation of gametic cells or the sex cells in any organism, a sexually reproducing organism, is always involving meiosis, isn't it? And also in the formation of spores, like in the case of higher plants like angiosperms, gymnosperms, formation of megaspore, formation of microspore that eventually gives rise to their respective gametic cells in the respective gametophytes, that also involves meiotic division. In very lower forms, like in the case of algae, meiosis may also happen very early in the life. Like the zygote itself may undergo meiosis, that is called zygotic meiosis. So there are different types of meiosis depending upon at which stage in the life of an organism it occurs. Whereas if you think of higher organisms like animals, like humans, like reptiles, like birds, like amphibians, like fishes, in all our bodies, meiosis happens in our gonads, in the testis and ovary. It's called terminal meiosis because it is involved in the formation of the sex cells or the gametes.